Hi, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today I thought I'd bring you along for a day in the life on the homestead. So first of all, I had my coffee and relaxed a little bit this morning. Since I don't have kids, I can do that. I'm still recuperating from my back injury, so I'm hanging out in the house, but there's always lots to do. So this morning I cleaned out our main refrigerator here. I didn't think to take before and after. It was really bad. I couldn't fit another thing on the shelf, or this shelf, or in the drawers. So if it was really bad, I threw it out. If it's something that I could repurpose for the chickens and the pigs, then I did that. And then I also have a bucket of compost over here. And I took one out already. Or actually, I sent it out with Wade. So now I am fixing some lunch. A hamburger that was left over I found in the refrigerator that was still good. It was from a few nights ago, I think 3 nights ago. So I'm going to fix myself a low-carb hamburger. Okay, my low-carb burger is complete. Including pickle chips that I made a couple years ago. So I'm going to enjoy my lunch and then I'll get back to work. Okay, I am done with lunch, so let's get started on the second refrigerator. As you can see, it is pretty full as well. And dirty, especially at the bottom. We mainly use this one for drinks, eggs, waters, and overflow of cheeses usually go down here in this bin, but you can see it's empty because I'll need to get some more groceries. This is baking goods, chocolate chips, those kind of things. This is extra cheeses. Actually, that's my small packages of cheeses and extra bacon bits. And as you can see, this shelf is really full of stuff that typically doesn't belong in there. So I guess I'm going to work on that bucket full of bell peppers because that will give us more room. Okay, so I moved the leftover country ribs to the other refrigerator now that we have room for our leftovers in there, and that is the only leftovers we have left. That way we can see them and get them taken care of. It'll be a great lunch for us. Okay, I've also done some moving around. Oops, in the door here. These things were on the shelf. They should be in the door. I'm going to take this watermelon out and check it. It looks like it's going bad. If it's not bad inside, I will cut it up and put it in the containers. Oh, okay, I just noticed for some reason there's water all over this top shelf and the bottom is also full of water. I'm going to move this juice to the big refrigerator so I'll see it and use it. So I just went behind after I got the ice and water off and got it all dried up so I can put his drinks back. Okay. And then these are my Armenian cucumbers. So stay tuned for a video on that. I'm going to make sweet relish out of these hopefully tomorrow. I like to do them the day they're picked, but I just have too many things on my plate. So they'll have to wait till tomorrow. Okay, so got the eggs reorganized. They're fitting in there good. My shelf full of water is fine. So do you guys like the frost-free or do you prefer the old-fashioned kind? Okay, this refrigerator is all cleaned out. Looks so much better. Got all that water out of the bottom and nasties cleaned up, and the water on the top shelf as well. So we're going to go ahead and close this one up. Okay, almost done with the peppers. Have them washed and cut up. Now I'm just going to use my handy dandy tool to dice them up. Oops. Oopsie. Okay, got all of the peppers clean and diced. And I'm just going to put them in this tray over here for another project. So this is the 4th tray, and this will be for a freeze drying project. So watch for that video. Look at all those beautiful colors mixed together. Okay, so this is tray 4 of 4. The other 3 were processed on another day. So one more project done. Well, the watermelon is very good, and I got 1 large bowl and 1 small to medium bowl out of that watermelon. So I'll get that put in the food refrigerator and go on to the next project. So a couple days ago I made okra pickles, and with my back injury I just haven't gotten around to getting them put away. So I need to get those put away on the pantry shelf. Well, I had to get off my feet for a couple hours after all that bending cleaning out the refrigerators with my injured back, and ice it for a while. So Wade's been doing all the chores outside, morning and evening, so I'm getting ready to start dinner, and he's out doing the evening chores, collecting from the garden, taking the compost out, feeding the pigs and the chickens, collecting eggs. So I need to get dinner going, and I'll be back with you shortly. Okay, dinner is ready, and we are having fried red potatoes with kielbasa and sauteed yellow and zucchini squash. So I'm going to eat dinner and clean up, and then I need to get this video edited so that I can post it overnight for your viewing tomorrow. So if you're enjoying this type of video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share our videos on your social media. It's the best way that you can help us to grow our channel. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead. Take care, and God bless.